This is what we're putting in on the bottom and then securing it all the way across. And then we're putting our insulation on top of that. Yep.
You take it down and let it hold it.
What we originally thought was right over here by the air conditioner in this window that we had some rotten wood. So we started investigating. It wasn't just a window. We need to get a thing nailed on here, get our band on the outside from one end to the other, Paul, and then put our floor joists to it, right? Be the best way. All right, guys. Amazing in here so far. Looks so freaking great. Look at that. Everything's framed in. Paul did a good job. That, unfortunately, we have to change. He decided he's not going to have central heat and air, but it's only one piece. I don't think that would be an issue if it's in the world. Anyways, got a lot to do here still. Probably the same thing we ended up doing back here. This was unbelievable. Something we didn't expect. Must have run into all that. But you can support your walls like this off of that big metal band that goes right there. You can support your wall, replace whatever you have to, and then if your legs have been rotted off, you can replace them down with, just like we did in this bedroom, with some legs. Just put some sisters right on the side. Excuse me, Paul. Mm-hmm. Put a couple short sisters right here on the side. These weren't quite perfect, so up a little bit. We just put some sisters up to the wire. Doesn't need to be anything big, long, or tall. Just nice screws. Screws I like best. I like using screws. I'm getting ready to head to the building supply. I'm picking up some 12-footers so we can go completely across this 2x4 wall so we can make them a much sturdier for jacking on or whatever we decide we might do on the outside. So I'll see you when I get back, Paul. It's lots of work right there, let me tell you. Lots of work. Brand new band board out there. This is just a preview of what some of the things that we have been doing. Of course, I can't put out 5 hours worth of video every day, so this is a preview of what's up and coming in our videos. What we did over there to fix that wall.